affiliate products that actually pay. Stop wasting time on $1 commission. I'm Kuchadi. Let's pick winners. I give you some tips. Tip number one, CPA and recurring commission. CPA means cost per action. That means you get paid each time someone takes a specific action, not just when they buy. It could be when they sign up, when they download an app, when they fill a form or open a trading account. So even without a sale, you still earn. That's why CPA offers are amazing for beginners. They help you build income faster with less resistance from the audience. Now imagine earning not once but every month from a single referral. That's what recurring commission do. You promote a tool or software like System.io or GetResponse or an AI tool, and every month your customer renews their subscription, you get paid again. This turn your efforts today into a steady automated income stream tomorrow. While CPA gives you quick wins, recurring commission builds long-term stability. Combine both, and your affiliate business become a machine that pays in multiple ways. So don't chase random products. Choose affiliate program that offers either CPA or recurring payouts. That's how you move from hustle mode to system income. It's not about promoting everything, it's about promoting what actually pays consistently and automatically. Tips number two, tools and AI products. These ones are in consistent demand. The digital world runs on tools. Marketers, business owners, creators, everyone needs tools to get things done faster and smarter. People want AI tools for writing, for designing, automating, and managing tasks, which means consistent demands and steady affiliate sales all year long. Here is the beauty of promoting AI tools. Most of them use a subscription model, which means your referral can bring in recurring monthly income. For example, if someone sign up through your link for an AI content creator, email automated platform or analytics tool, you keep earning every time they renew. It's like planting one seed that keeps producing fruits month after month. And because business can't operate without these tools, your affiliate income become more stable and predictable. So if you are thinking long term, focus on tools and AI products, not one-time gimmicks. They solve real problem, they have global demand, and reward consistently when you build your system. You stop chasing sales and start building a sustainable digital income machine. Tips number three, how to test offers before promotion. Many new affiliates make the mistakes of promoting everything they see online and end up being frustrated when no one buys. But smart affiliates, however, test offers first. They want to see if the product actually converts, if the product delivers value, and if that product fits their audience before going all in to promote it. Think of it like testing a meal before serving it. You must be sure it's worth recommending. How do you test an offer? You start small, grab your link and share with a test audience. Maybe your WhatsApp contacts, your email list, or a few Facebook groups. Track how many people click and how many actually take action. If it's a good product, you will see quick engagement and early conversions. Also, test the sales page. Is it persuasive? Does it load fast? Does it build trust? Because even the best product can fail if the page doesn't convert. So once you confirm an offer converts, go ahead and scale. Use content, ads, or email automation. But if an offer feels confusing, have low quality, or gets zero response after testing, drop it fast. Your reputation as an affiliate depends on the value you share. So download my profitable niche list below. Subscribe to this channel and click the link below.